Hello dear learners, how are you all? I am hoping that you all are good. Yes? So I welcome you all in this class. In this class we will discuss a new chapter of your book. Okay, the chapter name is Shapes Around Us. In previous class we discussed the colors around us. In this chapter we will discuss the shape around us. What are the different shapes are there in our surrounding? Yes, just take a minute and observe our surrounding. What are the shapes that you can see in your surrounding? Maybe the some shapes related to rectangle, some of the objects are related to circle, some are triangle. Yes. So here is the chapter related to shapes. Shapes are everywhere around us. Of course, shapes are everywhere around us. They help us to understand the world and describe the object we see. Yes, if we want to make a sun, so we have to move circle. We have to make it with circle. If you want to make an ice cream cone, so you have to put some first cone shape and a circle shape. Then you can make a ice cream cone. Yes. If you want to denote a pizza, so pizza is not yes, of course the pizza is in rectangular form also, but mostly pizza is in circle form, in a circle shape. So you have to draw a circle. Yes. So they help us to understand the world and describe the object we see. For example, a circle like pizza or a clock face. If you want to draw a clock, so mostly we draw a clock in a circle shape. Okay. If you make a door, so you have to door mostly in a rectangular shapes. So every object has different shapes. Okay. For example, pizza. Circle, round like pizza or a clock face. Next, square. For equal side like a chessboard or a square sticky note. Square has all the sides equal, we know. Rectangular, rectangulars has longer side like a door or smartphone or a screen. So rectangular shapes are where you found? In your mobile phones have rectangular shapes. Your doors also have rectangular shapes in which their length is more than their breadth. Okay. Next, cube. Six square faces like cube or cubic, Rubik cubes. We can say Rubik cubes also. Next, triangle. Triangles are three sides like a fine sign or a pizza slide. If you want to say, if you want to see a pizza pizza slides, it's also a shape of triangle. Next one is oval. So oval is a shapes. We see the mirror also in an oval shape. Axe also in the oval shapes. This is not the circle. It's not the perfect circle. It's the oval shapes. Okay. So there's a difference between shape of circle and the shape of oval. Please see it. Okay. Next one is cylindrical, round with flat end. Okay. The shape of cylindrical. Can you see? It is a shape of cylindrical like a soda can or a candle. The candle is also shaped like a cylindrical. Let's move on. Cone. Pointed top with a round base like an ice cream cone or a traffic cone. Yes. So we can say this is the shape of a cone. Yes. Okay. So we discussed the shapes. Let's discuss some questions related to it. First question. What shapes is a Rubik cube? Rubik cube have which shape? Which shape Rubik cube has? It has of course a shape like cube. So we can write the shape here in the help in the given space below. What shape is yell sign? So it is in a triangle. Yes, triangle shape. Soda can is in shape cylindrical. Cylinder. Okay, next shape of pizza, that is circle. Next one, shape of a ice cream cone. Ice cream cone shape has in cone. Okay, shape is cone. Next, smartphone screen. Smartphone screen has which shape? Rectangle. Rectangle shape. Yes, next, mirror. Mirror shape is in the oval. Next one, what is the shape of chessboard? Chessboard is in the shape of square. Yes? Yes or no? Yes? These are related to shapes around us. Yes, related to square, rectangle, circle, triangle and all these things. Hoping that this chapter is clear, we can see all these shapes in our surrounding also. If you want to see like this, we can see lots of beautiful shapes around us. Yes, some are triangles, some are rectangles and all these things. If I talk about some qualities, for example, square has equal length and breadth. They are equal in all the sides. Okay, that is known as square. But rectangle is not as square. Okay, in rectangle, their length is, dear students, please listen carefully. Here is a rectangle, so their length is more than their breadth. Can you see? Can you see the difference between the square and the rectangle? Of course, yes. The square has all the sides equal. Can you see? All the sides are equal in a square. But if I talk about rectangle, rectangle does not has all the sides equal. Okay, that's why it is known as rectangle. Okay, and this is cube and triangle and all other shapes are there. Hoping that this is clear to you. Yes, of course. So that's all about this class. When I will meet you in your next class with the next chapter of your book. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.